We're checking out this knife that was sent for my review right now, and honestly, I love a great knife. We have some really amazing kitchen knives in our house, but we don't have anything that looks like this. Now, this is a carbon steel forged knife. This is a Japanese style. Look at this, V-shaped, meaning that the actual shape of the blade goes into a V, so for extreme sharp cutting. You can do sashimi with this. You could do extremely high detailed cutting. My favorite thing are two things. I love the fact that that steel goes all the way down to the butt of the actual knife. So when you're holding it, it's extremely solid. This is very grippy as well. Love that hole. Some people use it like this. I typically don't. I like to hold my knife like this with my thumb kind of like, focusing on the thumb. But if you want to have this, it's extremely sturdy to actually hold it like this. I do have an orange. We're gonna try it out for the first time. I've tried different knives like this before. I do like that kind of like very steel forged look at the top, and look how beautiful that is. By the way, when you do get it dirty, make sure that you clean it right away and dry it right away before you put it back in its holder, because it does come in a really nice holder, which if you are an outdoorsy person, you can actually hoop in your belt and have it on you right anywhere you go. So let's see. Look at that. Look at this. Like we're talking such, and I know my dog's excited to actually try the orange, but we're doing a little bit of like, talking extremely, like slivers. Look at that. Okay, now let's just go in, and like butter. I'm not even putting any pressure whatsoever. Look at that, you can see the knife through it right now. We're gonna go even, let's go even. Oh, look at this, look at that. That's pretty impressive. Okay, my dog is really waiting for a little bit of, wow, I am not putting any pressure whatsoever. It is very easy to use. Let's see if he's going, look at that, incredible. You want some? Look at that. You want it? Yeah, so nice. And look, again, I can go further in and be very careful, of course, but we're talking extremely detailed cutting, super sharp knife, and of course, super easy to clean as well. This is definitely going to become a staple in our kitchen. Wow.